Happy Saturday, budget friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm your mom trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today we are working on our S&C Budget Creations Savings Challenges, and I'm pretty excited about this. I'm trying to figure out my filming schedule. It's all over the place right now, so I appreciate you guys bearing with me. Let's count up what we're working with today. I've got to get some change from somewhere. Oh, I wish I would have done this before. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. I have $43 here, and as a matter of fact, I do see a couple fives here, so I'm going to take this 10. Okay, I'm going to grab these two fives and take this 10 and move it off to the side. So that helps a little bit already. Let's see, where can I get change from? Be right back. Okay, I grabbed a couple binders out of my safe, and let me just take a look because that one doesn't have any ones. That one has not enough. This one looks kind of chunky. Okay, I'm going to try not to speak while I'm looking for change so I can speak through this part. Okay, so we've got a ton of change here, and I'm not even sure it was necessary to switch all of it out because what I was thinking is setting these up, rolling the dice to see how much each savings challenge is going to get, and as a matter of fact, I think I'm going to do that. Be right back. Okay, we are back. So what I've decided to do is I missed March's monthly savings challenge, so I was like, I have to get that caught up. So I grabbed April so that way I wouldn't forget it. Every month I'm trying to work on our Christmas savings challenge, and these are savings challenges from Cassie J's memberships, either here on YouTube or from Ko-Fi. So I will link both down below. So if you are interested in checking these out, you're more than welcome to do so. She did explain that once they leave the membership, some of them may go into the shop. You can find all of these somewhere down below. I have my dice. What we'll do is we'll just grab, you know what, how about this? Oh my goodness, this is going to be crazy. I'm going to roll the dice, and that's how many bills each one is going to get. Not the amount, but the bills, because there's some $2 bills in here. Let's do it. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow. Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so all of them have gotten money so far. Let's continue on. 1, 2, 1, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I have $3 left. I think what I'm going to do is, instead of rolling and doing an IOU, I'm going to give $1 here, $2 there. Boom, that's done. Now I don't have an IOU, and we can get through these savings challenges. Okay, some of these I've hole punched to put on the outside of the envelope, so I've got to make sure I keep those in order. All right, so for March, I cannot believe I missed this. These are in the shop, and I was doing so well trying to keep up with them. I guess not all that well, because how do you miss the third month? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5 here. And we don't have 5. So how about we do half of this 10. This is going to take me a while because these savings challenges I'm trying to work on only on Saturdays. But we'll see though, because sometimes, you know, I'm able to come up with more money, and then I add in those other savings challenge cash stuffings. We'll see. Okay, so that one's ready to go. Our next one is April, and April is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, where do we have 6? Okay, so we can do 6 here. We'll do the bonus, which is 5, and then we'll do the 1, which is $6. Perfect. And at least I know where to come for some change. Since we have all these ones in here. Okay. April, Christmas is getting 1, 2, 3. This one I've actually been doing as a roll and save. Been a lot of fun that way. And so far, this is the only Christmas savings challenge I'm working on. I do need to really get serious about my Christmas savings. All right, so Ebony Muse, what are you getting? Ooh, some 2s. Oh, lots of 2s. Okay, so let's see here. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 buckaroonies. 13. Let's see. 13. Let's do 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Perfect. I feel like this needs to be, how about this? Just a little bit more so you can see it. It's actually, okay, that's better. This one made a lot of progress very quickly, which I'm excited about. I do have some other savings challenges I want to add in here this month, but we'll see how things go. And Zahara, I have the other savings challenge. I was hoping to do this one as a roll and save, but we'll see. All right, got a couple $2 bills. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Perfect. All right, and then we have Jade Serenity. And I was so excited about this one because it's only $10. That's why I was like, yes, let's do this one. Let's see how much we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 doll hairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Progress, progress, progress. So excited to see it. All right, let me go ahead and need to put my savings challenges back in here. I do have some other savings challenges that I want to work on that I did put back here. And like I said, everything will be linked down below. Either the SNC Budget Creations, as well as I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs YouTube channel, and also you'll be able to access the Ko-Fi. So that way, if you want any of these goodies, you're more than welcome to grab them. That's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.